Hello friend, welcome to this video once again. I'm Sunday Oyewale from Octozi School of Shoemaking and Craft. What we do in here is that we take you from the level you are to that level you desired to be in leather crafting. That is what we do justice to on this platform. So this video is a result of a question I got from some of the video at which I released some times ago, which the fan of mine said that okay, I want to cut this and I was unable to get this pattern as which you drafted out. Okay, coming here I want to show you how to get pattern out using the standard method. Here the different method of this. Here this one I want to show you use cutting a simple pattern you see in here out using the standard method. So at the end of this video you will be able to make this very in here you'll be able to make this very picture, cut the pattern out, and you will be able to cut it and to be ready. And now let's go into my private studio to do justice to that. In here, what I do in the standard method is that I come in here with the masking tape. You get the new masking tape to get this done. It's highly recommended if you have your 2-inch masking tape, but in here I have 1-inch masking tape. So I come in here, I do this. I come in here to do this. Come in here to do this. Okay, mark it, all the portion at which you've cited that the material the design you're about to draw is going to cover, you mark it round. So I'm going to be marking it. Okay, right now we're at it right now, so I'm going to pick up my pen right now and start sketching what I sketched on the hard card the other time and start sketching it on the masking tape right now. So I start in here to start doing this. Come like this. Okay, right now, coming up in here, you can have a liberty to still clean up if you know you're not getting it all in sketching. Okay, sketch it cleaned up in there, balance it very well. Okay, the difference between the freehand and the standard is that can get to adjust it. It's just that you sketching whatever you want to sketch on the main material. You're not going to be guessing if it's going to work.
Okay.
You're not going to be guessing it. You're not going to be guessing it. Just work on it straight up in there. I cut, mark it so I get to open this up. Open this now. Right in here, I get this opened up right now. Flip this like this, flip it like this, and then come in here, open it up. Get it like this. Okay, I have it. So come here right now. I have this. Now, looking at it, I've been able to cut this out like this. I've been able to cut this out this way. Okay, that is out. I can then come over to open this. To open this up, I need to connect these points together. So connecting it together, I have to come in here. Okay, right now we've been able to connect it, and I have to trim it in. Okay, right now I've connected it back, so I get to open it completely right now. Open it back in full. Out. This is out. Okay, right now I'm done with this. I can come to drop this over here. Come to drop it right now. I'll drop this way. And I get this on it this way. This right in here. Now try to connect it this way. Okay, so right in here I have this out. Looking at this was cut with the free hands. This was cut with the standard method. Thank you so much for watching today's time. As I said, it's quite easy. Just follow it step by step. There's no step skit in it, and with that you will be able to make this. Here, the video you just watched, I have a full course on it, which is free. Yes, it is free. Just go in there. There's a link in the description of this video. Go into the description of this video. You're gonna see that. Click it, and it's gonna navigate to where you can take this course. That is my course, and I've prepared that for you. Yes, just you, at no cost. I'm going to give you at no cost. Go in there, take it, drop in the comments, drop all the comments. I will be here to respond to all your comments. Like you to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell button, and while you do all this, don't forget to share to your friends. Don't just learn alone. Never stop learning.